Are you sick of paying property taxes? What if I told you there's a way to get hundreds or even thousands of dollars off of your bill legally? No one likes paying taxes, and I hate giving money to the government just as much as anyone else, but I understand some of it is used for good. Unfortunately, in New York City, most of it isn't, but property taxes here are extremely high. Although there is no way that I know of how to get around paying them completely, which I wish I do, there are several ways to significantly reduce your bill. If you are tired of overpaying for property taxes, I'll show you some helpful ways I found to reduce it. With some of the highest property tax here in the country, New York City does offer plenty of cash credits, abatements, and write-offs that can help ease the burden. The various links and resources can be found in the description below. Although I am no tax advisor, this information is what I have found, and you should always consult a professional before coming to your own decision. To start, the STAR deduction, which stands for School Tax and Relief, is a property tax relief program available to in-state homeowners who live in any qualifying district and make less than $275,000 a year. Depending on your qualifications, your estimated savings could be anywhere from $300 to $650 per year. On the other hand, New York City offers a few property tax programs, and a huge and popular one is the co-op and condo tax abatement, allowing eligible homeowners to save up to a whopping 17.5% off their property tax bill. To qualify, you must use your home as your primary residence. Unfortunately, if you are renting your property or using it as a second home, you will not qualify. There is a pretty big catch though, and if you happen to live in a larger building with many unit owners, you cannot apply for this abatement on your own, and it is up to the management company to file for it on your own behalf, which is more likely for most condos and co-ops. In addition, building employees such as the doorman must earn a living wage in order for you to qualify for this deduction. Do you have an underutilized or dilapidated roof? If so, the unused roof could put back up to $200,000 in tax liability back into your pocket. All you need to do is cover at least 50% of the roof with greenery, and you will save a boatload on taxes. This is called the Green Roof Tax Abatement, and it is a great way to save taxes and also help the environment. The city also offers more tax benefits to help the environment. So if you install solar on your property, you may get a tax break of up to 8.75% of the cost to install it and the amount you can save depending on when your solar service started. And this will typically be a percentage of your installation cost capped at an amount equal to your annual property tax, or $62,500, whichever one is lower. Have you heard of the SALT deduction? It stands for State and Load Tax Deduction, and it allows you to deduct certain taxes paid to the state and local government on your federal income taxes. It can include certain property taxes and is capped at 10 grand. And if all else fails, and you can't find any credits or abatements like the ones we listed below, or you don't qualify for them, but you still feel like your bill is way too high, your last Hail Mary option is to grieve your property taxes. And no, it doesn't mean to cry about it. Grieving is a process where you can challenge the city or the property assessor's valuation on your property and potentially lower your bill. However, if you grieve and your local municipality finds that it is undervaluing your property currently, it could cause your tax bill to actually go up. So if you know of any other ways to potentially save on taxes, please share it in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. And thank you all for watching. Until I see you next week.